Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding, and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. In this video, you will learn about musculoskeletal systems, introduction or removal procedures. So let's start. In this section of introduction or removal of musculoskeletal system, how procedure happens. Depending on the diagnosis condition, the provider will inject the substance like corticosteroid or anesthetic agents or anti-inflammatory drugs depending on the pain or inflammation or any other similar related conditions. And the physician will remove the foreign bodies like nail, thorns, bullet and any wood particles, any metal. So you can see the first picture is about anatomical site. Aponeurosis means a ligament at plantar fascia. So if the patient is feeling pain or inflammation or numbness or weakness at plantar fascia ligament, then the physician will inject corticosteroid or anesthetic agent or anti-inflammatory drug to the aponeurosis. And there is another disease condition, carpal tunnel syndrome. Here, the median nerve is compressed, and due to that pressure, patient will feel numbness, weakness at hand. So, for this condition, the physician will inject corticosteroid or anti-inflammatory drug or anesthetic agent on the wrist area. And third picture is about the Butron's contracture. Due to the tightening of fiber tissues beneath the skin of ring finger and little finger will bend towards the palm. So, for this particular condition, the physician will inject collagenase into the fingers that will make the tissue strong and flexible, which will dissolve knot of palmar fascia. So basically there are some guidelines coder need to follow to assign the code from this section. He just need to identify whether the physician has injected substances or contrast or physician has removed foreign body. So let's see CPT book for codes. 20500. Description of this code is injection of sinus tract therapeutic separate procedure. This procedure is related to abscess. What is abscess? Sac or pocket filled with pus due to untreated infection. Now, what is sinus tract? Abnormal passage from the abscess in the body to the skin. So, if the patient is having sinus tract, then the physician will inject antibiotic into sinus tract. Then coder has to assign the code 20500. If the physician is injecting contrast in sinus tract just to identify the extent of sinus tract or lesion or abscess, then you have to assign the code 20501. Here in this procedure, the physician will utilize imaging guidance, but for radiological supervision and interpretation, you have to assign the code 76080 for both the codes 20500 and 20501. Utilize 76080 in conjunction with 20500 or 20501. 20520. Description of this code is removal of foreign body in muscle or tendon sheath. Simple. Before performing this procedure, the physician will utilize X-ray image to confirm where the foreign body is. So, if the patient got struck with foreign body like thorn, nail, gravel or wood particle or any other metal, so for this condition, the physician will rib wrap and anesthetize the patient. Then after that, the physician will incise the targeted area where the foreign body is. When he or she reaches the muscle or tendon sheath, she will or he will easily remove the foreign body from the patient. Then he will close the incision with sutures. Then after that, the physician will take the X-ray images just to ensure that he had or she had completely removed the foreign body from the patient's targeted site. Now, when you will assign this code 20525, which is deep or complicated. Here in this procedure, when physician reaches muscle or tendon sheath, foreign body deep in depth, or presence of infection may require difficult dissection or removal of necrotic or dead tissue. The physician will remove the foreign body from the patient and closes the incision with sutures. Here, the physician will perform post-procedural X-ray images just to ensure that he completely removed the foreign body from the patient's targeted site. And the code 20526, 20527, 20550 I explained you previously. So assign the codes depending upon the disease condition and anatomical site. And the next code is 20551. The only difference between the above code and this code is here, while performing injection procedure, the physician utilizes radiological guidance to visually locate the drug delivery site at tendon origin and withdraws the syringe. And the next code is 20552. Description of this code is injections, single or multiple trigger points, one or two muscles. If the patient was diagnosed with muscle pain or knot in a muscle, the physician will inject steroid to that muscle. If the physician is injecting steroid in one or two muscles, then assign the code 20552. If the physician is injecting steroid in three or more muscles, then assign the code 20553 regardless of trigger points. It could be single or multiple. Then we have instruction note. If imaging guidance is performed, then assign the imaging guidance code. That could be ultrasound, fluoroscopy or magnetic resonance. And we have new codes in the section of introduction or removal of musculoskeletal system. 20560. Description of this code is needle insertion without injection, one or two muscles. For example, if the patient is suffering from chronic pain in the muscle, joint or soft tissues, then the physical therapist will insert thin disposable needle in one or two muscles to relieve the pain. If the physical therapist is inserting needles in one or two muscles, then assign the code 20560. Or if the physical therapist is performing trigger point acupuncture in three or more muscles, then assign the code 20561, 20555. Description of this code is placement of needles or catheters into muscle and or soft tissue for subsequent interstitial radio element application at the same time of or subsequent to the procedure. If the patient was suffering from malignancy at the anatomical site prostate or cervix or breast, then the physician will insert needle or catheter into the muscle or soft tissue. Then he will insert radioactive seeds into the malignancy site, which will destroy cancerous cells. During the same session or separate encounter and secures catheters or needles in place. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.